After making millions of dollars from YouTube, I believe I found the easiest way of making tons of AI faceless content. Traditionally, you'd have to spend hours upon hours or spend $100 to $200 per video to have made. But in current times, it's become a lot easier. Most people don't know how to use AI tools correctly to do this. So here's the 7 steps. Step number 1, head on over to tubemagic.com and sign up for a trial for a week. Step number 2, pick a high CPM niche. Step number 3, find a similar channel within one of those niches and paste the channel link within the Tube Magic Video Ideas tool. This will generate you unlimited great video ideas. Step number 4, click the button that says Generate Script. This will write you an entire script for your video. And then drop that script into a software called 11 Labs for your voiceover. Step number 5, find B-roll on a website called Storyblocks. Step number 6, drop the audio in B-roll into a free video editor like CapCut. Step 7, use Midjourney to generate an AI thumbnail. And finally, stay consistent, post at least once a week, but ideally 3 or more. Feel free to follow for more YouTube automation tips.